Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review Apollo Group TV. Apollo Group TV is a popular IPTV service offering an extensive range of live TV channels and on-demand content, providing an affordable alternative to traditional cable and satellite TV. With over 1,000 live TV channels from around the world, it covers various genres such as news, sports, entertainment, and kids programming. The service also boasts a vast library of movies, TV shows, and series, including recent releases and classics. A user-friendly electronic program guide offers detailed information on current and upcoming programming. Apollo Group TV provides HD and 4K streaming options for a superior viewing experience and is accessible on smart TVs, Android and iOS devices, computers, and streaming devices like Amazon Fire Stick and Roku. The platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, suitable for users of all ages. This service offers competitively priced subscription plans, providing excellent value for money. Regular updates and customer support ensures a smooth user experience. Apollo Group TV is a versatile IPTV service with extensive channels, high-quality streaming, and an intuitive interface, making it a great choice for those looking to move away from traditional TV services. If we talk about plans and prices, we have Starter at $24.99, Growth at $51.99, Elite at $89.99, and Professional Plan at $159.99. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.